Welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to solve some basics mathematics. We have here a simple linear equation of 7x plus 5 minus 2 into 8x minus 1 equals 12x plus 9. Here we have to find the value of x that will satisfy this equation. And we have a solution of 7x plus 5 minus 2 into 8x minus 1 equals 12x plus 9. To solve this correctly, we are going to first of all clear out these brackets by multiplying each term inside the bracket by minus 2, which is outside the bracket. But if we are going to multiply minus 2 by 8x, multiply minus 2 by minus 1. Now, the equation becomes 7x plus 5 minus 2 times 8x, that will give us minus 16x. Then minus 2 times minus 1, that will give us plus 2 equals 12x plus 9. Now, the next step to be considered is to combine like terms. And you're going to have here 7x minus 16x plus 5 plus 2 equals 12x plus 9. Then, simplifying this further, we have 7x minus 16x, that will give us minus 9x. Then plus 5 plus 2, that will give us plus 7 equals 12x plus 9. Then next is to collect like terms. We are going to move numbers with letters to one side of the equation and other numbers to other side of the equation. And if you do that, you are going to have here, we have 7. To move plus 9 down here, it becomes minus 9 equals 12x. If you move minus 9x down here, it becomes plus 9x. And simplify this further, you're going to have 7 minus 9, that will give us minus 2 equals 12x plus 9x, that will give us 21x. And right here, to get the value of x, we are going to divide both sides of the equation through by 21, and that implies going to divide here by 21, also divide here by 21. And at this point here, 21 will eliminate 21 here, and we have minus 2 all over 21 equals x. And this also implies that x equals minus 2 all over 21. And this is the correct answer and the right value of x that will satisfy this given equation right here. Now, for instance, I'm going to consider the next example still on this basic algebra. Now, for instance, if we have x minus 1 all over 2, then minus x plus 1 all over 2 equals 5 minus x plus 2 all over 4. Right here, we are still going to find the value of x, but we will satisfy this equation here. Now, to get this right, note that this is also over 1, and at this point, we need to first of all clear out this fraction in the denominator, And how are you going to do that? By finding the LCM in the denominator. And right here, the LCM here is 4. That is the lowest common multiple. Now, LCM equals 4. Now, to clear these fractions, we are going to multiply each term in this equation by 4. In that case, these fractions will be eliminated. Now, if you do that, we are going to have here 4 into x minus 1 all over 2 minus 4 into x plus 1 all over 2 equals 5 times 4 minus 4 into x plus 2 all over 4. And now here 2 would divide say 1 and 2 into 4 is 2, and we multiply 2 by this expression. We have 2 into x minus 1 minus here 2 eliminates 2 into 2 is 1, then 2 into 4 that is 2. We multiply 2 by this expression. We have 2 into x plus 1 then equals here 5 times 4 that gives us 20, then minus here 4 will eliminate 4, and we have into x plus 2. Now the next step to be considered is to clear out this bracket by multiplying each term inside the bracket by the numbers outside the bracket. Now if you do that, you are going to have here 2 times x, that to give us 2x, then 2 times minus 1, that to give us minus 2, minus 2 times x, that to give us 2x, then minus times plus, that to give us minus, then 2 times 2, that give us 2, minus 2 we have here equals 20. Here minus times x, that will give us minus x. Here minus times minus 2, that will give us minus 2 here. Now the next step to be considered is to combine like terms, and this equation becomes 2x minus 2. Then here we have minus 2x here. Then we have minus 2 minus 2 equals 20 minus 2 minus x. Then here 2x minus 2x, that is 0, and this is gone. And we have here minus 2 minus 2, that gives us minus 4. Then equals here 20 minus 2, that will give us 18 minus x. And right here, the next step to be considered is to collect like terms. And right here, we are going to have here, going to move x down here to the left hand side of the equation and move negative 4 to the right hand side of the equation, and the equation becomes here x equals 18 plus 4. When minus x crossing equality down here, it becomes plus. And we have that x equals 18 plus 4, that gives us 22. And this is the value of x. But we will satisfy this given equation right here. And do not forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel for more interesting videos from this channel. See you in the next video.